Alright, bait stealers, so welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be out here at Spruce Creek. Yeah, can you believe it? We're back out here again. We're gonna find out whether or not this spot is gonna produce today. So we're fishing the evening time at the moment, and yeah, let's get everything set up. We're already set up out here, as you can see. So let's go ahead, get to that fishing. So this anchor is not really doing what I want it to do, so we're gonna go ahead and move into that mouth and just kind of try to set ourselves up in there. And also, let's not tip the kayak while we're at it. I can already tell that that's where it's going. Alright, so we'll come up here. Tide is currently high tide. So what we're gonna do, it's definitely a bunch of mullet out here, that's for sure. Mullet season is about to be insane. Alright, so we're here. We'll go ahead, let that out along with the buoy. And we'll back ourselves out. Gotta work on a way to shorten that anchoring system, so that way it's not so long for shallow areas. Alright, let's get something now. We'll start with the bottom rig. I think we're on. Oh yeah, we're on. We're on. Tiny little on. Oh, little micro snook. Or what I've also heard them called snooklets. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, there he goes. I wanted to show him off a little bit for a second, but he's gone. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright. Forgot to set up the net. Oh, here we go. Alright, what do we got now? Another snook. Little snooklets. This one's a little larger. Nice, guys. Little larger, but still not big. Well, hey, I'll take them. After the couple of weeks I've been having. Got stuck in the net. Oh, that sucks. Much larger snook, though. Oh, come on. Is this gonna be a bait stealer's moment now, where I lose my net? Oh goodness. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry, buddy. Alright. Come on, man. There we go. There we go, barely hooked. It's okay. Relax, relax, relax. I got you. Snook number 2. Probably a good 12-inch, 11 to 12-inch right there. We'll go ahead and let this guy go. Oh, he's ready. Beautiful. Gotta love it. Something's after my mullet over here. A lot of action over here. You gonna hit him or no? Go ahead and toss this over by the grass over there. Right in the little creek mouth. We'll get this rigged up. I think we're on. Nope. Alright. Set that back there a little. Okay, we might have something now. Whatever it is. Oh, now it knows it's on. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's digging. It's digging. Alright. Swallowed the dang hook. I'm gonna keep losing all my hooks by this rate. Sorry, buddy. Oh, come on. Had a big hit. Alright, come on now. Dang it. I gotta figure out this third person camera thing. I just had something go berserk on my mullet. Come on. Are mullet friends still good? Not really. He's gonna be okay. Alright, let's try that again. We're hung up in the trees, dang it. Alright, time to move. Alright, so one of the main goals for today is not to just sit at that one spot, because I know it can produce. The goal I want to find or do today, see what other spots have to offer. Like this spot over there. I wonder if that point over there might be any good. We got some depth here. Looks like 3 feet to 4 feet deep out here. Not spotting any fish. Alright, so let's continue on and see what we can find. Guys, we made it back here, but don't seem like a lot of activities going on in this area. So we're gonna move on out. I thought there was gonna be like a salt pond back here, but apparently not. It's all just mangroves and grass back here. Should be a lot easier getting back, so go ahead and find our way back if we don't get lost. Hopefully. We should be good. We should be fine. Alright, Bay Sealers, thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, if you guys have any questions or comments, leave it down below in the comment section. And if you guys also want to see more videos just like this, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video.